Welcome. Today you'll learn how to make your Gmail experience faster and more convenient by setting the right swipe action to instantly mark your emails as read or unread. If you often deal with a crowded inbox, marking messages as read or unread with a single swipe can save a lot of time. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Take a moment to let it load your inbox. Next, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that to open the side menu. Now scroll all the way down until you see the option for Settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see several options. Tap on General Settings. This is where you can adjust overall features for your Gmail app. Find the option called Swipe Actions. Tap it to open up your customization options. Here, you'll see the settings for both right and left swipe gestures. Locate the section labeled Right Swipe. Next to it, there's a button that says Change. Tap on Change to choose a new action for your right swipe. From the list that appears, select Mark as read or unread. With this choice, every time you swipe an email to the right, it will either be marked as read if it's currently unread, or marked as unread if you've already read it. That's it. Your settings will update automatically. Simply return to your inbox, and you're ready to use your new swipe action. Whenever you want to quickly tidy up your inbox or flag an email to read later, just swipe right and let Gmail handle it instantly. This small change turns a daily chore into a simple gesture, making your email management smoother and a lot more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, share it with anyone who might want to boost their productivity and take control of their inbox. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smarter Gmail experience.